Hello guys, how are we doing? Good to have you. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to be discussing how to trade the news. Yeah, for a while now, I've been receiving comments and people asking or requesting that I do a video on how to trade the news. Even though I've done it before on TikTok. If you're seeing this video and you're not following me on TikTok, the username is at President Noah 01 at President Noah 01. So you can go follow me on TikTok. I do give daily tips and insights on how to trade the forex market. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about, or I'm going to be teaching how to trade the news. Now, many people know that it is right, it is necessary that each time you wake up in the morning as a forex trader, that you should check the news. But the reason why many people don't check the news is because they don't even know what they'll be checking. You know, they could go see the site like you're seeing now, and they don't know what it means. They don't know how to trade it. What does this figures or whatever is being presented on the news, how does that affect their trade, or how does that affect the market? So in this video, we're going to be taking it step by step, precept by precept, and explaining major aspects and everything you need to know about forex trading. So if you're excited about this, do well. If you have not subscribed, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so that each time we release videos, you are going to be notified. Every week we do give a weekly analysis of the market, especially gold, and what to expect from the market. So let's go straight into the business of today. Now, this is the major sites we do get news for our daily trade. It's called Forexfactory.com. Forexfactory.com. You go to your browser, search for Forexfactory.com. When you come this, where it will bring you to, like you can see, today is October 25th. So this is all the news for today. This is all the news for today. Now, and of course, you can see the time. This 10:14. The time should match with your local time. The time should match with your local time. So you can see that this is all the news we've got for today. This is all the news we've got for today, and this is this has been the movement of the major currencies within the last 6 hours, the Euro USD, GBP USD, and the rest. So these, their movements within the last 6 hours. Now, this is where you find the news for the day, and like you see this today, this is the time for each of the news. This 9 a.m. we had a news on Euro, German IFO business climate. So this was a news for 9 a.m. So you can see every news has the currency which it will affect and the time which the news will be released. So let's have the news for the whole week so that we can show you more features. Now, what you can see here is this week. You can see this week, 24th to 30th, or to October 30th. So all the news we have here are for this week. You can see them. You can see them. Now, when you come to this site, the there are news that you should give more attention to, and there are news you should give less attention to. So let's filter to explain that. You see where I click on filter here. Now, this is an explanation for these features you can see here, this box-like shape. The red is high impact news. Whenever you see this, a news with a red color by the side, that is this box being red, it's a high impact news. What's the meaning of high impact? It means that it will have much effect on the currency. I repeat, it means that it will have much effect on the currency that is being traded. Then the orange means it will have medium effect. It's called medium impact news. And the yellow is called low impact news. Low impact. And the gray is public holidays. Public holidays. So, like we are here today is okay, on Sunday, you see all day here on New Zealand there was a bank holiday. You can see that it was gray. So for the whole of Sunday, New Zealand were on, or the bank was on holiday. So we can also filter the medium, the low impact and the public holiday. When we do that, you see what we'll be left with. You can see that all we have are medium impact and high impact news. Medium impact and high impact news. So on Tuesday, today is Monday. So on Tuesday, look here, we have 2 medium impact news on USD. 2 medium impact news on USD. So look at the news here. Consumer confidence, CB consumer confidence, and Richmond manufacturing index. By 3 p.m. on Tuesday, GMT +1, that's my local time, we'll be having consumer confidence news by 3 p.m. Okay, so this you click on. If you don't understand what that news means, you click on the box at this end. When you click on it, it will show you this drop down. Then you can read to understand what the news will be talking about. So you see that it's talking about level of composite index based on surveyed household. Level of composite index based on surveyed household. So, or surveyed household. So if you don't, and this is source of the news, the Confidence Board Incorporated. So that's where the news is always derived from. And if you want to know how this news will affect your trading or will affect the currency, that's USD in this case, it is going to be this way. Now you see here, let's go back. Now, in front of the news, or still on the news, we have previous. We have previous here, we have forecast, and we have actual. Now, when it is not yet time for the news, like today is Monday and the news is Tuesday, so we've not gotten to that time, all we can see here is the forecast and the previous. The previous is what the previous reading of the news was as at the last time it was released. Then the forecast is what maybe economists or people are expecting should be the result of the news when it will be released. But there is going to be an actual, and the actual will only be released at the time of the news. The actual will only be released at the time of the news. So here, to know how to trade, you have usual effects, which is going to give you an insight on how to trade the particular news. It's actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So they are saying that if the actual, when the news is released, when the actual is released by 3 p.m., that if the actual is greater than the forecast, then the news favors the currency, that it's good for the currency, meaning that the currency will appreciate, or it will be stronger. So if you're trading gold, Euro USD, when I'm talking about gold, I mean XAU USD, GBP USD, Euro USD, if you're trading these pairs and the news is good for the currency, then these pairs will sell. I repeat, if the news is good for USD, then these pairs I just mentioned will sell. But if the actual is less than forecast, then these currencies will buy. Do you understand? So if actual, they say actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So if actual is greater than forecast, the currencies I just mentioned, XAU USD, GBP USD, Euro USD will sell. But if actual is less than forecast, these pairs will buy. It means that the news did not favor the dollar. Having seen that, okay, then we have high impact news, like on AUD. There's an high impact news here, CPI. On Wednesday, we have CPI, change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers. Now it's saying that actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So when the news will be released, if the actual is greater than the forecast, then it is good for the currency. Here on Wednesday, on USD, look at here, 1:30 p.m., we have durable goods orders and core durable goods orders. So this could sound confusing. You see that the durable goods orders is a high impact news and core durable goods orders is a medium impact news. So let's see the meaning of each of them. Durable goods orders is change in the total value of new purchase orders placed with manufacturers for durable goods. Change in the total value. Remember that phrase, total value. Then talking about core durable goods is change in the total value of new purchase orders with manufacturers for durable goods, excluding transport items. Excluding transport items. Any news you have and you see a news, or let's say you see something like durable goods and core durable goods, you should know that the one that has core excludes some factors. So like this one that is core durable goods, it's excluding transportation. And you know that transportation accounts for a good percentage of value of new purchase orders placed with manufacturers. Transportation actually accounts for a good percentage of the economy. So if this news excludes transportation and this one covers everything, you remember what was written there? It says change in the total value of new purchase orders placed with manufacturers. So it includes transportation. For that reason, you should give more attention to durable goods order or durable goods orders and not core durable goods orders. I hope that's clear. So you should give more attention to durable goods orders. And when the news is released, if the actual is greater than forecast, then you know that it's good for currency. So you should trade accordingly. Also, there are some news that doesn't have, okay, you can see here on Saturday, okay, market doesn't trade on Saturday, but there are news like this G20 meeting, it doesn't have previous and forecast. So you see, like last week Friday we had Fed Chair Powell's speech. Let's go there, 22nd of October. You can see it here. Fed Chair Powell speaks. This news never had previous or forecast. You can see it never had previous or forecast. So when a country's central bank, either president or chairman, is speaking, there is no previous or forecast. Like we have Bank of England chairman, we have Federal Reserve chairman, we have who else? So when a country's central bank chairman is speaking, there is no previous or forecast. In such situation, what do? You have to watch the news live. Like here you see source, we have Federal Reserve latest release. So you click here, you can go watch the news live, or you can go on YouTube and watch it on CNBC or Bloomberg. I think they usually live stream the news, or yeah, they do live stream the speech. So you should be careful of this kind of news. I really need to say this. This kind of news that doesn't have previous or forecast is actually a speech. Be careful of such news, because when some of these news are given, it could be a speech. Then after the speech, there is a press conference. Like, okay, some of this news is usually a press conference. So after the speaker gives his speech, then journalists start asking questions. The things he says will affect the market. So you can see while you're trading, you see the chart going bullish for a while. All of a sudden, it starts going bearish in the same day, and it goes bearish very hard. So it's the things he says or the response he gives at the course of the interview that will affect the movement of the market. So in this occasion, if you know you cannot follow the news, or you're not willing to be buying or selling alongside, you can just avoid the news or avoid the market within that period. But if it's just a speech, like a press release, or not, let's not use press release, it's just a speech, you could pay attention and trade accordingly. So, okay, like here we have Bank of Japan outlook reports. There's no previous, no forecast. So this news you have to watch it being live streamed. You watch the live stream. So these are the major aspects you should give attention to while trading the news. These are the major aspects. I don't think I've left anything. Then you should also know that every first Friday, I think every first Friday of the month is NFP. So I think that's a major news that is stable. So that's how to trade the news. That's how to trade the news. I believe I've touched every aspect that needs to be touched or that needs to be explained. If there's anything you don't understand, you can use the comment section. You have any question, use the comment section and I'll be glad to answer your questions. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up, and that's just a way to encourage us to keep putting out more content. You like this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that each time we release new videos you can be notified. Like we always say, forex trading is a highly risky endeavor. You need a proper training in order to participate in the forex market. So if you don't have a complete training, please don't venture into forex trading. If you want us to train you, do well to visit our website www.noahenterprise.com. If you want to subscribe to our signal service or you want us to manage your account, you can also reach us through our website or any of our social media handles. If you don't know how to trade but you like to participate in the forex market, or would like to introduce you to what is called copy trading. Copy trading is a system where you don't need to know how to trade. All you need to do is link your trading account to a professional's trading account, and whatever he trades will be reflected in your account. So if you're interested in copy trading, you can reach us on any of our social media handles and tell us you want to do copy trading, and we'll direct you on how to link your account to our trading account. Then whenever we trade and make profit, it will be automatically reflected in your account. So that's it for this video. I don't believe we got value. Like I said, if you have any question, if there's any part you don't understand, do well to use the comment section and we'll be glad to respond. Please do well to share these videos among people you know that this will be helpful to them. That's it for today. Thanks for your time. See you in our next video. Bye for now.